Hey everybody, this is Kirtana from Adiparashakti Engineering College. So I'm here today to explain and to share about the details of my project which I have been working on. So my project topic is related to specially able people. So I'm going to design a system which helps the specially able people to communicate with the normal people. So, myself and my teammates have been working on this project, and this is an initiative project by the government. So, here this comes under the scheme called Nalaiya, which has been provided by the government, having a tie-up with the MNC called IBM. So, we people, that is, we the graduate people, are being working with different kinds of projects on different domains through which we have learned many new things on our respective domains. So now we will go into our project. So while starting we will go on with the ideation and proposed solution. So in this particular phase we have designed a problem solution for the problem which has been considered for solving. So this representation will tells you that how the specially able people can able to communicate with the normal people through our system which has been developed by us. So here comes the sign language plays the major role in communication between the normal and the specially able people. So now this is about the empathy map which says the positive and negative and what are the things that are needed for our system. And next here comes the ideation and brainstorming which helps us to ideate the solution for the problem which has been given through the IBM. So here comes the project design phase which consists of the solution and technical architecture. This explains how the system is going to be used by these users. So after this the data flow diagram, it explains about the flow through which the user will be interacting with the application as the system and they has been obtaining the output. So now this is how they have given us the problem statement, and they have given some sort of codings and they have given us the some sort of content through which we will be learning to do this project and through which we will be working on the project. So these are the types of content we people have been exploring in the IBM platform. Like we people have the time to learn the technologies and the technology stacks that we people have used in this project in order to design the respective designs in our domain. So now we will be seeing the code which has been coded by us for developing the system. So we will be importing the required packages like TensorFlow, Keras, NumPy, Matplotlib, OpenCV. That is OpenCV is for the camera access. So after this we have unzip the file which is the data set we are using in this respective project. So after unzipping the file, now we entered into the image processing category. So here we will be dividing the project, that is the data set, as train and test data. So after dividing the test and train data, we will be pre-processing the images that has been present in the given data set, and after pre-processing we will be creating a model and then testing the model with the given input data set and which consists of the train and test data. So once we have created the model, we will be downloading it as an tar file, so through which we are going to work furthermore in the system. So now it is time to predict the output, that is we will be predicting the output through the loaded, that is through the model which we people have created and saved successfully. So after this we will be using the cloud, that is we will be deploying the cloud with our model using the IBM Watson. So before deploying it we need to install it. So for that purpose we are installing the required IBM Watson machine learning for the cloud deploying purpose. So after deploying it we will be using an API. An API is a like a intermediator which will be helping the user and different ways to get and give the input to the system or an application. So this is how we have created, tested and trained the model, and we have saved in our local system. The entire model has been. So this is how this output, that is the sample output of our project. Now we will see the characters that has been predicted by our system. So for example, this is the alphabets. So now I'm going to predict, that is my system is going to predict the letter alphabet A. So this is how it looks like. So now again I'm going to predict the letter B now. So yeah, this is how the letter B will be looking like. So now we will be going on with the letter C. So this is how the letter C will be looking like. So now we will again move on to the next letter, which is D. This is how the alphabet D will be looks like. So yeah, this is about our project. We have developed a system which will be converting the human sign language to text, that is the characters.